This is a review of the 4 Weapons Blacksmith Shop. Which our first major figure is going to be Master. It's a nice recreation of the original suit. Added some toe prints. Next up, we got Nia here, which she did receive a small change. They updated the symbols here to represent the water side of Nia a little bit more. Overall, it's still pretty much the same. Have the Lego Ninjago movie face instead. Next, we got Kai, which I've been waiting for a long time for this figure. This is the blacksmith suit, and now I can finally make my complete figure. Long time coming, but now I can do this, and it looks just as good as it did when we first saw it in the pilot episode. Overall, it actually does come with the movie Kai face and hair, but there's nothing wrong with perfection. Next, we got Ray, the original Master of Fire. He has a happy face and an angry battle face. This one is more in the battle of the Serpentine battle. Serpentine Wars, actually, I think it's called. Outfit. And then we have the original Master of Water, Maya. Sad to say that she only has one side face. The original version of her had two. I feel was probably more accurate than this one with the face, but overall pretty good. And finally, we have the original Master of Earth. Has very armored up robe suit he has. Nice little toe printing. Does have two sides of his face. Obviously, technically, it's not the accurate face he should have. That's due because they yellowed a Lord of the Rings figure they had at the time and turned the head yellow. So I don't remember which one that is, but this works pretty well too. Now the actual set kind of opens up. You can remove the roof piece for it to open up. One side has a workshop, so you could throw in your blacksmith Kai, and you can work on stuff. You got an anvil, a barrel with water in it. You got some armor on the other side over here, but you got some higher up armor. Some other nice details. A really nice floor pattern. And overall, I feel it's pretty good. With the other side. The other side's pretty much like a little bed with a couple nice sticker details. I would say it would be better if all the things were printed. It always would be better that way, but overall, for this set so far, I feel like for what you're getting, it's fine. Because overall, you got some nice stuff. Now on top, you have a reference for Samurai X and Kai being the red ninja up here. They actually have the card from a while ago, when they originally released back in 2011 actually. That's pretty much it for the roof. There's not really that much excitement. You do have the feature that's built inside the roof. So behind this, you can push on it, and the front part will fall off and reveal the map. Of the 4 golden weapons. It's pretty neat. I feel like that's a nice way to do it. Reveal the map. Overall, I think this set is probably a good 10 out of 10. It could have a little bit better, but like I said before, I do feel like the stickers could have been print, but for $100, this feels more like 120 that they would charge for, but it's only 100, so, but it's fantastic. It's probably one of my favorite Ninjago builds ever.